Today I would like to share about Indriya Samvara Sila. What is Indriya Samvara Sila? Indriya Samvara Sila means is the practice of guarding the senses of eyes, ears, nose, touch, body and mind with a mindfulness. Purpose. When sight, sound or other stimulates our senses, it's the constant states like greed and anger free from taking over the mind. How to practice it? According to Visuddhi Magga, there are two main rules to follow. Number one, no grabbing the sign limiter. When seeing something with the eye, you simply note it without letting your mind grab onto the overall shape and get attached to it. Not following detail illuminated. You avoid focusing on mind, attractive detail that usually triggers some like or dislike. In a mind, what are the benefits? Mental calmness is stop the mind from running endlessly after external distraction. Better concentration, it makes it much easier to pay. Did meditation and focus samadhi. Peace of mind. It reduces negative emotion like anger and craving, bringing inner peace. In conclusion, typical Indriya Samvara Sila, like a guest standing at the door or a house. By watching over our senses door with mindfulness, we keep our mind pure, safe, and peaceful. Thank you so much for your participation.